Hello Sean, hope you are well. So I have built your marketing client dashboard in Notion and I am sending you for review. So review this and let me know if you need any changes. And second, I am recording this video to your help and how you can use this Notion template. So first of all, I have created this main database. Like this is a marketing client database here, like client name, status, contact person, industry, purity, onboarding, last update. I have link this like edit property, roll up this with change log, then notes, then change log relation, then second database. Then this is here all client section. I have added some like other board like client status board, like which task is active, in progress, on hold, then client timeline and so on. This is first database. And second database is like client flow change log. Here marketing client relation with the first like marketing client database, then client project, change date, platform, automation flow, change mode, and reason for change, a screenshot with the link, results snapshot, follow update, impact, and so more. Here you can see there like by client, uh, in which platform I choose, like Calivio, Mailchimp, HubSpot, so more, then timeline, then by platform, then follow up calendar and so more. This is extra I have built to easy understand. So this is the two main database. And if I go on first, so here you can check out like I have built the three action button, like new, change log, entry, marketing client law. So here I have linked both database in front, and I have add some filter, like here you can see just active and change log task will be show here in this first database. And second, I have attached filter like which platform, like here just Clivio platform task will be shown here. And when you click new change log entry, so new page will be open. Here you page name entered, then choose date and so more according to your like need, like this is you can choose. Then second is a marketing client. When you click here marketing client, so marketing database will be open in right side. Then when you click client flow change log, so their database will be show here. So this is a marketing client dashboard. Review this Notion template and let me know if you need any changes. So by the way, I have set up this your template in my account, like I have a paid account, but your account need to upgrade. So like upgrade plan I have, then I have transfer into your account, but you cannot access quick action and so more. When you upgrade this plan, then you will be able to everything like action and so more. Let me know if you need any changes and so more. I am waiting your review. Thank you.